19.393. Here I've got 4 Rubik's Cubes. This is the Swift block, which I got for £9 on Cubes UK. Here I've got the X-Man Tornado V4 Pioneer, which I got for £32 on also Cubes UK. Here I've got the Gans V100, which I got off Cubes UK again. And here I've got the Moriu RS3M 2022. Guess where I got this from? Amazon. We're going to be comparing them. This was 20 quid, £30. So £20, £30, £32, £9. Let's see which one's better. Firstly, for pricing, I'd say the Swift block is best for the price. So there's an amazing cube. But I would also say that for the price, the Gan's also pretty good. So these two are first place with 1 point each. And these two get 0 points. Especially Tornado. Tornado is quite bad for the price. Right. We've got the, let me just do this off. 24 seconds. $21, so far you're in the lead. 2-1. $21.21. I think that's in the last place. Not sure. I have to look back in the footage. Now for the Swift block, I expect greatness from you. $19.652. So 1 point. Since I did pretty well on all of them, I'm going to give them all 1 point. So 1 point, 2 points, 1 point, 1 point. So you're only going to use these two. These three are tied. Right now, we're just going to do how long it takes to do a full lap of Stexies. Let me try that again. $3.27. $3.62. Try that again. $3.26. $4.36. That's the order. I'm gonna give you 4 points. No, 3 points, 2 points, 1 point, 0 points. So that makes this one a 5, 3, 2, 1. 5, 3, 2, 1. Right, I'm going to do a solve on them. I'm going to give them a rank 10 out of 10. Where's that piece? Oh, there it is. Oh my god. Well, I'm redoing that. Hold on. Yeah, I'm retaking that because I dropped it. Why do I keep dropping it? It's got UV coating. Well, PLL skip 16.70. I'll give them all 2 souls. Because I gave that one 2 souls. That was a really bad start. Oh, not even on my piece. Oh no. Alright. Yeah. $15. Ooh. Alright. See you. $20.727. Okay. I need to be better on that first pair. Right. Oh, yeah, but in this case. I need to practice OLL. I need to learn what OLLs. I don't even know a few. Right. Yeah, I'm getting some lube to lube these up. Right. So overall, I would say this is my ranking. The last test is how fast I can do a T-pump on them all. Yeah, I can do better. 1.4. 1.6, I can do better. 3.6. I can do way better. Okay. Definitely better. Alright, yeah. So yeah, it's literally the ranking. So I'd say this one's my favourite. And then I'd say it goes to Tornado. So Gan, Tornado, Mogi, and Swiftlock. These two can be interchangeable though. Let's look at the adjustment systems. Where was that? Where's that gone? There it is. Actually, wait, hold on, let me just... It's this one on the right side. Don't know what I grabbed that for. Right. So, RS3M, Swiftlock, Tornado, and V100. So, with the V100, you have to use a tool, where you use this end for the deep bits, like twist, then for the top bits, twist. I currently got mine, the top one, and the bottom one. The one at the bottom is on 6. Yeah. And you have to use a tool. But the Tornado, you don't need to use a tool. Just with the handle. I think it's really nice. I got mine on, actually I have no clue which one's which, but 3 on the inner one. And 1 on the outer. With the Swiftlock, I have no clue what adjustment this is. My friend adjusted it for me. So yeah, don't take whatever I do with a grain of salt with that one. This is the RS3M I keep out of the box. I really liked how it felt out of the box. That's what it looks like if you want to see. It's 2 springs, which I think is quite nice. So yeah, overall, I'd say all of these are good options. If you want for a more budget side, I'd say, like, if you want to get a cheap cube for good, Swiftlock. But if you've got a bit more money, like £20, I'd say the RS3M. You can get it for like £12, I think, on what's it called? That place, Cube UK. But this one's got maglev, this one's got strength, which I think is quite nice. All of these have got maglev except for this one. That one's so cheap. I might quickly just grab them. Right, so this one has maglev. These all have maglev except for this one. This one has springs. This one's got really good corner alignment. Ultra Alignment. The other ones don't. I guess this one a bit because it's got really strong magnets. Yeah, you can tell it's the Tornado. And this one's just this one. One thing I do like about these two is these two have their own internals. If you look close on the inside, there's a bit of the end of the piece is purple. One here is black. So yeah, if you want to go for like a really cheap cube but it's reliable, the Swiftblock. I don't know what the actual name is of it. It's just a Swiftblock. But if you want a cube that fast, reliable, turns pretty well, and has maglev, and you've got a price of £20, I'd recommend RS3M. If you've got a lot more money to spend, like £30, it depends on your turning style, but I'd recommend one of these two. This is a more soft and steady turning style. And this one fits a more rough turning style. Which is my turning style. And that is my review. So, 9 out of 10. Personally, 8 out of 10. 6 out of 10. 5 out of 10. That is my ranking. One solved to lead out. $17.70. That's good for me. So yeah, I hope this helped. If you're trying to choose between one of these cubes, which I doubt you are, have a good day, and I'm out.